Hey guys, Allison Wonder here, and in today's video I will be showing you how to make a Lego fox den for all your Lego foxes. You'll need these parts. Obviously you can use whatever colors you want to make it more personalized. And with that, let's get straight to the project. First, place 3 1x2s, one on top of each other. Then, place a 1x2 flat on top of them. Next, put the 1x2 window arch on top of the 1x2s. After that, place the 2x4 on the middle of the platform. Next, place the two 1x2s in front of that. After that, attach the two 2x4 wall pieces, fitting them in place, just so. To build the first arch, take the 1x4 arch and two 1x1s. Put the 1x1s on the bottom of the arch. Once you have completed that, place the two 1x1 slants and attach them in the middle of the arch, making a small triangle. Attach the arch in the back like this. Next, place the two 1x2 slants in front of the 2x4 wall pieces. It should look like this. Take one 1x2 and two 1x3 slants and put them together like this. Next, take the other 1x2 and place it on top of the 1x3 slants. Then take the 2x3 slant and three 1x2s and attach them together like this. Place them together with the 2x3 slant on top. Now put them on top of the 1x2 slants like this. For the roof, place the two 1x4 curves and attach them to the 2x2. Next, take the 2x4 and put it on the 2x2. Then take four 1x1s and place them two together, one on top of another. Place them under the curves. It should look like this. Now you attach them to the walls. To build the final arch, you need to first place the 1x2 on top of the 1x4 arch. Then put the two 1x4 curves on the 1x2. Then attach two 1x1s on the bottom of the arch. Now place the two other 1x1s on the bottom of the first one. Then attach the 1x2s. Finally, place the finished arch on the platform. Congratulations, your fox den is complete. Come back in my next video to see me build this turtle cove.